Hey everybody, Chris here with creating a website today. Just going over really quick, just creating a website to sell stuff, but we're going to do it for free. That way you can test it easier too. Budget free, zero budget is always the best. We're going to use Shopify. I consider it the number one platform. Might not be your end all, I'm not sure, but let's just go ahead and do that. I put a link in the description below. There's probably a link around you if you'd like to follow around, or type Shopify in the browser. Whatever works best for you. I'm just starting at the main page. If you're utilizing a free trial or think you are, just to verify, you can see right here, get 3 days free, then 3 months for $1. These change. Sometimes I'll be seeing 1 month for $1, get 3 days. A lot of different methods they do. But regardless, you can just click one of these. They're going to do a couple questions just to have you answer, what you're selling, your needs. I would recommend answering those 3 to 4 questions to get just a better setup and dashboard for you as they personalize it. I'm going to just hit login. And after you do the couple questions, it's going to bring you onto a page like this. And I just want to run you through real quick. We're going to just start. I'd like you to set up a theme. And this was already clicked, but if you're here, you're going to see a guideline right in the middle, phone number for help. You can chat them. Top right, there's a support area. Let's go ahead and I know we're going to skip that, but I'm going to click that. And the reason that I always do that, but it's just because you've completed it. So you'll hit that once it's done. I'm going to open that up. And if you notice handmade crafts for, not sure what that looks like, but that's okay. And you're going to just hit generate, and AI is going to take over. You're just going to input whatever you want. It's building out some suggestions for me. Never will be perfect, right? But the structure is there. So as you see, you're going to look through, maybe you like it. Actually, I'm going to update this to quilts. I'm going to regenerate. I'm going to hit the generate themes because I want to see some more options. And we'll let it come up with some ideas for me. Okay. I am going to go with this middle one. I like it, and I'm not going to view it. I'm going to test it. So I'm going to hit try theme. That's going to load it into my theme library. One cool thing, take a look around down here, all the popular free themes. You can go to the theme store here, look all around. Cool thing, a lot of nice free ones. I really like Refresh. Of course, I really like the fact they're just giving me an idea and I can build off that one. So, and what's going to happen here, you'll see some other stuff here just because I've been testing out other stuff, but it's loading it and it just added it. And what we're going to do is I just want to show you, the structure of your store has been created if you're following these steps. You can now hit customize, and it's going to bring up just what, the store you built based off just a prompt. And I get maybe you don't like it, maybe you want to go back, whatever works, but over on the side here, you're able to start editing the page and put all that in. But what I would do next, let's just exit. We're going to go back home, and now we're going to add a product. And so you clicked on add a product there, and it's, as you can see, it's going to walk you through some steps. And you want to make sure you're utilizing this. I'm actually going to click on, actually, let's stay here. The Sidekick 2 is your little assistant. So it's, if you notice right here, it's keeping the steps here. And notice this right here, generate description. I'm going to click on that. And handmade blanket, because it's going to help me. Let's see here. Oh, cool. And I'm going to hit keep. And it's, so what it's going to do, I'm actually going to, I didn't even realize that way. I'm going to actually click Sidekick. It's another button here. Generate product description. You're going to get used to the Sidekick because it's going to help you with everything. Handmade blanket. And you're going to type that in. And it's going to put something together perfect. No, but it's a start, right? Pricing, SEO title, SEO description, description of the product, and overall title. If you're like, oh, cool, what you can do, and I'd probably recommend it anyways because you can change this, hit preview, and it starts inputting it. And you might come over and just go, oh, let me make some changes that I like, which not a big deal, right? And blanket, oh, maybe I want it bold, one of a kind. And overall, kind of what's happening is you now have a product starting to be built out. And and right now you can just hit save up top. But I wanted to show you getting a product started isn't that tough. Obviously, media, your images, your category, price, but it's all broken down right here for you. And this is cool. You can see your search engine kind of listing, right? You might edit it, but right now, let's just go back home because now you kind of have a structure of a theme that you're going to work on. You can have one product, right? Might be time now you can add a domain right within here. As well, you can start setting up your Shopify payments. You can confirm your shipping rate, naming your store. If you pick a plan, you can do that. One thing to keep in mind, if you hit pick a plan, select the plan you want to use. I would recommend just basic. You're going to come to kind of a payment screen, and right here, pay annually, 120 off, 10 a month, or monthly, your choice. But one thing to keep in mind, as you can see, just for a little peace of mind, which I like too, it's going to break it down nicely for you and show you, starting March 18th, I'm going to pay $1 each month. And then on June 16th, I'm going to pay for the year. And then I'm all set. And so just so you're seeing that and kind of understanding it, amount due for March 18th, $1. So I think that's a handy thing. But let's go back. So we're back on the main screen. It's always a good starting point. Oh, we picked it. As well, what they're going to do is have you launch your store, but you can place a test order if you would like, and you can learn more about that, obviously, there. And then removing your store password, that's when it's going live. Let me show you over here too, just bottom left is where it's displayed. A bunch of links, notifications, domains, apps and sales channel. It's just going to show you everything you have installed. As you can see right now, I have a few things installed. Oh, there's a point of sale. In case that was something I needed, I actually have a storefront. And if we go back, you might want to look at the apps too. You might add an app. Let me, go look. If you look here, just on the bottom. You'll find it anyways, navigation wise. That will take you to the full store. Look around more, see what you think. But I hope this just gave you a really good idea just how easy it can be to creating your store. A lot of things going into it, getting that domain, designing your website, picking the platform, adding a product, uh, payment and shipping setups, optimizing for the SEO part, launching your store. The cool part, a lot of it that just goes into it is right within the Shopify ecosystem. So it's really cool. Even if you're just doing the free trial, it's cool because you just get 3 days to roam around, build it out, and see what you think. But don't hesitate to call them or chat them. Um, they help and they'll just stay around until you're done with them. If you have a question or any comments, leave them below. If you need help, leave it below or reach out to me on creating a website today or here, and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions too. All right, have a great day.